Hi everyone, nice to see you all again. Sorry, it's a little bit delayed, just a minor technical issue trying to get sorted there. Um, so welcome to today's show. Hope you've all enjoyed the series so far. We've been working through a lot of the finer details for the Anker SOLIX X1 series here in Australia. Today we're looking at the troubleshooting and potential issues that might come up with the install on the system. And we're really excited to run you through those and to provide you guys with the tools that we can then um, have you troubleshoot them on site and make sure that the customer is getting the best possible experience. On the line with me today is the Australian Technical Lead, Tracy Liu. A lot of you will be familiar with Tracy. He's been handling a lot of the calls recently with the installs going in, and he'll be running us through this session and allowing us to understand the potential common issues and troubleshooting with the X1. So without any further issues, Tracy, I'll hand over to you, mate.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. So today, I will explain about the Anker SOLIX X1 troubleshooting part. So, so nowadays we install a lot of machines, but some issues, some installers is not familiar at it. So let's have a look. Okay, so from the fault part, we have some code, and most frequently it's happen to some communication, especially from the beginning it's A60. It's about the grid set CT sensor not detected. What does this mean? It's normally happen to our grid set meter. We have some CT's version meter, and if sometimes at the grid set it has the CT clamp is not connected in the correct phase. For example, AB phase wrong or some orientation, your detection is not from the grid point to the home loads. It will happen to these issues. So what's troubleshooting steps for this part? Normally, we provide the grid connect the meter connections and the meter wiring and the CT wirings for the installers. For example, you can have a look at the reset. The first one is about the AC couple machine, and it's no CT version. It's not a big problem. Just make sure the communication cable wiring is fine and the power cable is fine. It will not show its error. But for the second part, this is a picture very frequently used. It's about our hybrid three-phase machine used as AC couple. What does this mean? It means in this home you have existing solar, so you need 2 meters. This is for grid set, and this is for PV set. If A60 happens, must be this meter's fault, especially the CT is in the wrong phase or CT is not point to the loads, it's point to the grid. So it will show this error. You just check with this diagram and change the CT direction or the CT's phase, make sure, and it will be all good and will pass the self-test. And next scenario is for the A6 error. It also frequently happens. What does this mean? It's a grid meter communication failure. This part means what? Means this cable from the because the VCTs also have the communication cable. Make sure it's connected to the red part from the white blue white blue white blue. It's for CT communication cable. Make sure this is correct. This is one thing. And the second thing is make sure for grid meter we connect to the 24 and 25 port for this meter. If this in the wrong side, for example, sorry, this is 24 and 25. connect to this port in the PCS. The 485 cable in the left side is plus and in the right side is minus. So make sure the 24 connect to the 485 plus and 25 connect to the 485 minus negative. Yeah, so it will be correct. Yeah, these 2 points things you need to change. And another thing need to focus is we also have this STM230 Modbus V1 meter. This meter needs set the address, and other meter no need set the address. Yeah, so if the address is wrong, if the grid set address is wrong, it will also show this A6 error. Yeah, like this. And yeah, for the hybrid single phase and for the hybrid three phase, I think I have already mentioned. Yeah. And next one is A7. A7, what does this mean? It means PV meter communication failure. PV meter communication failure, it happens to AC couple scenario. Not only happen to our AC couple inverter, also happen to our hybrid when hybrid using as AC couple. It must have a PV meter. So at this scenario, we need 2 meters, one for grid and one for solar. At this moment, I have already mentioned the A6 happen to the grid side meter, but for the PV side, sorry, this is the PV side meter. It will show A7 when you connect to wrong, because at this moment, we have the 11 and 12 port on the meter. The PV communication cable connect to this place. Make sure 11 connect to the 485 plus and 12 plus, connect to the 485 minus. So it should be corresponding. If it's wrong, it shows this error. Yeah, similar with this scenario. Yeah, when use this SDM meter, we should connect to this 2 port, and the yellow one connect to the plus, and the black one connect to the minus. If it's misconnected, it will show this error. Yeah. One thing I should also mention, for example, if at this moment, you connect the well-known three-phase meter should connect to 3 cities. For the PV side, if this cities is wrong phase or wrong direction, it will not show the errors. It should judge from the you should turn off the solar inverter and to have a judge to make sure it is correct and see the application at the energy power flow diagram. It's all good. It will seems all good. So installers need to check this point. Yeah. It's similar. A7. Next is about A5. What does this mean? It means battery module communication failure. At this time, we just focus on our inverter's left side and the battery. It has the DC cables wiring. Make sure everything is tight, not loose. If it's something loose, it will show this error and it will lose some batteries. You cannot find when you refresh the machine. Maybe, for example, if you have 4 batteries, if something's loose connection, you will only find like a 2 battery or 1 battery or 3 battery. You can't find everything. So make sure, because it's really easy to connection. Yeah, just plug in. Yeah, it's really easy to operation. Also A5, about this is the AND terminal for the communication. If you have the 4 batteries plus this under the bottom, yeah, it seems the whole communication is finished. If you forget this, also will show the A5 fault. Yeah. Next, finish the meter and the DC cable part. This is the P65. What does this mean? It's some PCS connection loosed. Yeah, so if this issue happens, you just switch off the machine and wait like around 2 minutes and restart it. It will be fine. It's easy to solve this problem. So it's not frequently happens. Yeah, just make sure this solution is fine. Yeah, next is a P36. It's a grid interconnection relay fault. So when will happen these issues? This, I think this diagram shows clear. You should connect the backup loads. Do not connect together with the non-backup loads, or it will get a circuit and to get some bad things to your backup loads, and will affect the normal use. Just adjust the load wiring at the backup port and need to connect the backup port. Make sure it's removed from the main panel. Yeah. And if it happens, try to restart the machine again. Sometimes it will solve. If you make sure you are right wiring. Yeah. Next is about the P53 and P54 fault. This issues never happens in Australia. Yeah, it happens several times in our Europe. So just to give a reminder, yeah, make sure the panels cannot be overrated to connect to the machines. Normally, in theory we can connect to the 200% PV oversizing, but it needs to charge across this according to the PV panel's power and the PV panel's open circuit. Yeah, not oversizing too much. Next is P55 and P56. It's about the PV1 reverse connection or the PV2 reverse connection. So yeah, make sure that do not just connect the PV1 plus to the plus and the minus to the minus, not plus wrong port. Yeah. And this part need to emphasize again because we hybrid single phase. We provide a 5 kilowatt and 6 kilowatt solution. AC couple provide 5 kilowatt and 6 kilowatt solution. It will be easy. We recommend the backup loads do not over the rated power of this machine. For example, 5 kilowatt, just connect the 5 kilowatt. It will not be overload. Yeah. But one thing I should emphasize is hybrid three phase. We provide 5, 8, 10, 12 four solutions for this three phase. For example, if 12 kilowatt three phase, so each phase do not over the 4 kilowatt. Yeah, if it's over 4 kilowatt, it will be shows fault on our OM portal, and it will be overloaded. Sometimes we will trip, so will affect the customer's normal using. So it brings not good experience. Make sure about this. This is about the NMI part. We all know in the Western Australia, South Australia, and Victoria, yeah, this region have some like the dynamic export, emergency backstop. So you select the SAPN in the SAPN or VSC or Synergy in our application. So make sure you select the correct one. If you select the wrong one, it will waste your electrician's time. Need our Anker side, and our cloud engineer will help you to remove the LFDI, and will waste a lot of time. So please make sure about this. It's really frequently mistaken by the electricians. Yeah, about the Bluetooth not detected for fails to connect. So very less. Sometimes the Bluetooth is cannot connections. So make sure the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi dongle is firmly inserted. So this is really important. Sometimes people forget this and cannot connect the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. Yeah. Yeah, this is critical wiring and backup port precautions. Yeah, make sure the secure and correct and not make mistakes about the wiring. It will affect the equipment damage. Yeah, and focus on the backup power load limits. So it's some electricians do not know how much power connected to the backup loads, so it will make mistakes. Yeah, about the common precautions is about the restart scenarios. Sometimes when some installers install the Anker SOLIX S1 before the 1st of July, so they need to go back to the site again to do the commission. some electricians open the battery switch and do not turn it off. So sometimes the battery will discharge to zero. And when they go back to commission, they need to wait the grid to charge the battery for a while. So it wastes time. Yeah, just make sure they switch off the battery. Yeah, and if it's discharged to zero, need to press the black star button in our inverter's left side. It has a small button. So press it for like the 5 seconds to 8 seconds to restart. Yeah. And when you go out or go some holiday, you can just press the button for 8 seconds. It will just make the battery goes into sleep. So it will be more easier. No need to turn off some breakers. Yeah. And before commissioning, turn on all the switches and especially the battery switch. Confirm proper wiring and ensure dongle light is on. Check no other device are paired via Bluetooth. Yeah, and yeah, some checklist is about the Bluetooth connection works and the backup port is correctly wired and fully commissioned after install. Logs upload if some issue persists. Yeah, upload logs to let the Anker engineer to help you to analyze. Yeah, both the device logs and the app logs is the best. Yeah. Yeah, so that's all. Let's welcome feedback. Thank you.
Thanks, Tracy. Really appreciate that, mate. I hope everyone got out of it all that they needed to, and we'll be able to make this available so you can watch it back. And if there's any other questions, please follow up with us. So you can see today there, troubleshooting and common issues. That's today's one. So the last in this series is going to be on the VPPs and the DNSPs. We've got some exciting news coming on the VPP front in the next little while. So we're just going to keep that one as a to be confirmed. And once we've actually got that time, we've got that announcement locked down, we'll let everyone know and share the news widely. So for now, this is not a goodbye. It's just we'll see you soon, and look forward to catching up with you all and going through the exciting news in the next hopefully few weeks. So yeah, please don't forget to partner with us at our installer Facebook group. That's really important so we can get a lot of feedback and the chat going there. There's a lot of lessons and a lot of things we can learn from each other, and that's a really easy and simple way to share those lessons. If anyone's got any further questions after this, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.